Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Beat the eggs, sugar until they become pale yellow. I will leave a list of ingredients and further details in the description box below. Add vanilla extract or vanilla essence and mix. It's pale yellow now. Add oil and mix further just a little bit. Sift in flour, it's measured flour, baking powder, salt, and unsweetened cocoa powder. Mix with a spoon or a spatula to avoid over mixing. Add milk. If you're using the hand blender, put it on low to avoid over mixing. Add hot coffee or hot water if you do not have coffee or you do not desire coffee. Mix. Scrape the sides of the bowl to find dry patches and mix. Grease a baking pan, or if you're using a silicone cupcake pan, just fill it, not too much to the brim. Tap the baking pan a few times, then bake on a preheated oven for 20 minutes or until they are ready. Once they are cool, open a hole on each cupcake as shown in the video. The hole should be a bit deep, but be careful not to tear the cupcake, just for it to hold the filling. Repeat the process until they are all done. Let's prepare the filling. In a bowl, add double cream, sugar, and vanilla extract or essence, and lightly beat it to avoid over mixing it. Please press the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of new posts. I'd appreciate if you become a new member of the family. Put the cream in a piping bag for easy handling. Pipe the cream into the cakes. I've used half of that container and left some for the chocolate ganache. Let's make chocolate ganache. Melt the cream, the half of the cream, until it is hot and pour it on a chopped chocolate pieces. I'm using dark chocolate. Leave it for about 5 minutes, then stir from the center out until all the chocolate is melted and smooth. Once the ganache is smooth, dip each cake as shown in the video and place it to drip. I have garnished them with coconut flakes. That's optional. You may garnish them with anything you would love to have them with. There we go. Look at that. Please press the like button and leave a comment below and let me know, would you try this recipe? This is a plating suggestion. I've used chocolate ganache, the cake crumbs, the coconut flakes, and mint leaf. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.